Hi, I'm Jay with Peak Power Solutions, and I want to show you how to reestablish your internet connection to your Envoy. So the first thing you want to do is locate where the PLC in the Envoy is. In this case, it's located inside the garage, and a lot of our newer installs, it'll be located in an orbit box on the outside of the house. So for the sake of this one, it'll be inside the garage. It'll be located somewhere near the electrical panel. In this case, the electrical panel is on the other side of the wall here. So right here is the Envoy, and right here, down here, in this plug right here is the PLC. So what I want to do is go ahead and unplug this PLC. And while we're at it, we'll go ahead and unplug the Envoy. Oh, wrong plug. There we go. So the next step, we want to come inside the house and locate where the other PLC is. The other PLC is going to be located attached to the router. And so we can go ahead and unplug this other PLC, just like this. Unplug the Ethernet cable as well. So here I have two identical PLCs, just like this. You can both see the pair buttons down here at the bottom right hand corner. So the next step, I want to find a regular duplex outlet inside the house that's non-GFI protected, and I'm going to go ahead and plug in both the PLCs. When I see both the lights come on, I'm going to go ahead and push these pair buttons in the corners right here until the lights go off. Once the lights go off, I'm going to go ahead and release. I'll release it, and lights come back on. I'll push it again. Right now they're trying to find each other. Looks like they picked up right away. So I can see with these middle lights that came on and they're flashing intermittently, I can tell that they're talking to each other. So now what I can go ahead and do is plug the other one back into the Envoy in the garage and plug the other one back into the router. All right, so here's the Ethernet cable coming from the router. I'll go ahead and plug this in, just like this, and plug it into the wall like it was. The final step is we want to go ahead and plug the Ethernet cable that comes out of the Envoy back into the other PLC. And I'll go ahead and plug this in down here. And I'll plug back in the Envoy itself. Okay, so now that we have the connection established, we can confirm that. So if you look in this top right-hand corner of the Envoy, it says plus web right there. That way I know that there has been an internet connection established to the Envoy. So at this point, it's kind of just a waiting game. This system's been offline for quite some time now, so the microinverters do store a little bit of data. So it takes a little bit of time for it to upload onto the Enlighten site. So just have to be patient and let it do its thing. And that's pretty much it on how to reestablish your connection.